Today's video is a Werewolf makeup application. This is my makeup station. I have everything lined up so I know what to use today. And I have airbrush, prosthetics, denture, and cowl piece with the hairspray. First, I notice I have some stubble on my face, so in order to make the prosthetic sticks better, I use the Philip one blade. This one doesn't hurt my skin, so I love to use this one. And also for my mustache, I use the attachment. I wanted to keep some stubbles. All the materials I used for this makeup, I put it on the description. There's a link called Shop My, so you can go there to check it out. Now I'm using the Kiehl's Blue Astrogen to take off the extra oil, and this one is Skin Shield. This one will protect my skin. Now I put the pre-made cowl on my head. Make sure the position is right before gluing it on. Now I'm using the Prosthetic on both sides, my skin, and on the ball cap. I put it sticking, let it dry, little by little. I went all over my head. Now everywhere is attached. I use the scissors to cut the extra edge off. This one is a latex piece, so I cannot melt it down with acetone. Then I'm adding a little bit more Prosthetic where it didn't stick. Now RCMA, no color powder, so there's no sticky spot. Then use the Prosthetic to tuck down my eyebrows. And when it's dried, put the powder on so it's flat. Now, back side of the nose piece, I put Prosthetic and also my skin, let it dry. And put it on. I started from the center only. Make sure position is right. Once the position is okay, then I put more. Make sure there's no bubble. Press it down with my finger. Then I put all the edges down. Now everywhere is down. I put more powder. Then I use witch hazel. Dip in with the Q-tips. Then witch hazel make the gelatin piece melt, so I'm using it to soften the edge and blend it down to my skin. The good part of gelatin is with the body heat, it softens it and sticks to the skin as well. Now I'm using Bondo I noticed there's a rip, so I fill the sharp edge and the rip, and also on the ball cap. After that, I use cream Prosthetic with the red stipple sponge. I stipple it on to make a little bit of texture. I went all around the edges with this. Then let it dry, powder again. Next, WM Creations Soft Sealer. I stippled it on the gelatin area. Then I put the earpiece. This earpiece is a generic shape and I got it from the previous shows. I put it on the both sides. Then painting time. Crayon. The light skin tone. I put it on everywhere. Sometimes when you feel it's thick, you can mix with the alcohol, but make sure not to put it on your eye because alcohol will burn your eye. Then the gray tone around my eye. Then a little bit of smudge in between the gray color and the white. It's kinda similar to the highlight and low light shadowing, like the beauty makeup. And I'm using the black color around my eyes. Then I'm using WM Creations Pink 6205. That's an alcohol base airbrush. And I'm also doing the model. Then I'm using black tone. Some area deeper looking, and I'm making a gaunt looking with the black. Then with the same color of the rubber mask grease paint, I'm going all over to make it blended. Then I'm using the chip brush, WM Creations alcohol palette, and I'm doing the spatter. That was black color, and now the red color. Then blue marble to seal it. And Prosthetic cream. This is for the laying hair. Cut it and push with the one finger so it has some layers. Then I'm making a faster video. I did under cheeks and on my temple, near my ear and forehead. I trim it a little bit and spray the hairspray. Now I put the denture to make sure the look is good. And I'm using Benai Ultimate Effects palette. I like this palette to do some details, the final touches. I'm doing some contour with the hand painting. And if you want to use a curling iron for the facial hair, you can. This is a look. Thank you so much. If you want to know how to make prosthetics and cowls and dentures, I uploaded more videos individually. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel and learn more makeup. Thank you.